After 50, your skin doesn't just lose hydration, it begins losing firmness, radiance, and even the calm of your sleep can be disrupted. But what if the secret to rebuilding collagen and awakening your glow wasn't in a serum or cream, but in what you drink before bed tonight? I'm going to share 4 simple evening beverages that silently restore your skin, your sleep, and your hormonal balance while you rest. I'm Dr. Stefano, a specialist in obstetrics and gynecology. With over 15 years dedicated to women's health and hormonal balance, I've guided thousands of women over 50 who believed they had to resign themselves to aging skin and restless nights. But the truth is, your body still remembers how to repair itself. It just needs the right nutrition before rest to reawaken these mechanisms. Tonight, I'll guide you through an approach far simpler and more natural than any cream in your bathroom. 4 evening drinks that work in harmony with your hormones to rebuild collagen, restore hydration, and bring back that soothing radiance you thought you'd lost. If this gentle, science-based approach to health interests you, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss content that could transform your well-being. It truly encourages me to keep creating for you, and I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your country in the comments and let's see how far this wellness circle extends. Let's begin right away with the first beverage, a golden-colored drink that soothes skin and fights inflammation that's been used for centuries. Golden milk or turmeric milk, the collagen protector. When we think of aging, most imagine surface wrinkles, dry skin, or gradual loss of radiance. But beneath the skin, deeper phenomena occur. The discrete network of collagen fibers, that framework supporting skin firmness, begins to weaken. This is a natural consequence of hormonal decline, oxidative stress, and chronic inflammation. However, nature in its wisdom has always offered a way to slow this deterioration through a simple, golden ingredient, turmeric. Turmeric, used for centuries in traditional medicine, has now had its virtues confirmed by modern research. Its active principle, curcumin, acts deeply on skin architecture. It helps neutralize a cellular mechanism called NF-kappa B, the main culprit behind chronic inflammation that accelerates collagen loss. When inflammation is controlled, fibroblasts, the collagen-producing cells, regain their ability to repair and strengthen tissues. Turmeric distinguishes itself through its dual action. It reduces inflammation and also protects collagen against glycation, a phenomenon where sugar stiffens proteins like caramel hardening in a pan. This caramelized collagen then becomes the cause of wrinkles and sagging. Curcumin acts here by neutralizing free radicals and improving glucose metabolism, allowing your skin to remain supple. But these benefits go beyond the surface. In women after 50, the decline in estrogen disrupts stress management, particularly the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal axis. If cortisol, the stress hormone, remains elevated in the evening, it accelerates collagen breakdown and disturbs sleep. Curcumin helps rebalance this hormonal loop, reducing cortisol's impact and facilitating deep rest. This is why so many women who've integrated golden milk into their evening ritual report not only smoother skin but also more peaceful sleep and restored serenity. The preparation itself can become a key moment in your nighttime routine, a soothing ritual announcing rest. Start with a cup of unsweetened almond or oat milk. These plant milks blend perfectly with turmeric and are gentle on digestion. Heat them gently without boiling to preserve their smoothness. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, because the piperine in pepper improves your body's absorption of curcumin. Finally, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of sweet almond oil or coconut oil. This healthy fat helps transport nutrients to the heart of your cells. Stir, observe the golden color intensifying, and enjoy 1 hour before bed so the warmth relaxes your muscles and curcumin begins its silent repair work. One of my patients, Suzanne, adopted this ritual after suffering from dry skin and eye irritation from computer work. Within weeks, she noticed plumper skin, a less marked gaze, and peaceful sleep. If your skin's softness has diminished or your sleep is no longer restorative, golden milk is the ideal starting point. It's not just a beverage but a signal to your body that you want to restore balance. But this is only the beginning. The next beverage goes even further in internal nutrition, rehydrating the skin and inviting the body to deeply restorative sleep. Almond milk, the link between hydration and sleep. If golden milk is the warm first step of your ritual, almond milk follows smooth, creamy, and comforting. Where turmeric fights inflammation, almond milk ensures hydration and hormonal balance during rest. Many women after 50 notice that despite moisturizing creams applied on the surface, their skin remains tight or flaky, often because the body's ability to retain water decreases with falling estrogen and weakening of the skin's lipid barrier. This is where almond milk discreetly intervenes. Rich in vitamin E, it plays the role of internal moisturizer. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant, protects collagen fibers from sun damage, pollution, and even mental fatigue. Beyond softness, it also ensures a protective function. At the same time, its omega-9 fatty acids repair the skin's lipid layer, allowing water retention within tissues, which makes skin more luminous and elastic, qualities often lost after menopause. Almond milk's benefits exceed beauty. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid crucial in manufacturing serotonin and melatonin, the master hormone of the sleep cycle. Serotonin relaxes you, melatonin tells your brain it's time to sleep. Together, they promote the release of growth hormone, essential each night for skin and muscle regeneration. A glass of warm almond milk before sleeping doesn't just comfort you, it prepares your organism to regenerate. For preparation, choose unsweetened almond milk, heat it gently, add a pinch of cinnamon for glycemic balance, limiting cortisol spikes that dull skin upon waking, and a drop of vanilla extract for aroma. If you have particularly dry skin, a pinch of sea salt will help retain water through electrolyte balance. This beverage nourishes skin, balances hormones, and provides a sense of softness, that well-being we often forget to grant ourselves. The next drink continues this internal restoration, acting especially on hormones and stress management that determine whether you age in peace or tension. Chamomile Infusion, the cortisol soother. Each evening comes a moment when the body longs to slow down but the mind refuses. Thoughts circle, worries return, and instead of repair, your organism prepares for another night of tension. In many women after 50, this pattern isn't just psychological, it's hormonal. As estrogen and progesterone levels fluctuate, cortisol can remain elevated long after sunset. This is where chamomile, that ancestral comfort, becomes more than a ritual, it becomes genuine hormonal therapy. Chamomile contains a natural molecule, apigenin, a flavonoid that binds to GABA receptors in your brain, those responsible for calm and relaxation. It's not sedation but restoration. Apigenin soothes the sympathetic nervous system, lowers cortisol, and releases muscle tension, thus indirectly protecting collagen. When cortisol stays elevated too long, it activates enzymes that destroy collagen fibers, making skin thinner and more fragile. Soothing your mind truly allows your skin to repair. For this elixir, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried flowers or a tea bag in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes, covering to preserve all volatile active principles. Drink in calm, away from screens, with dimmed light and deep breathing. Finally, Lavender Infusion, the emotional and hormonal balance. Lavender possesses an almost poetic dimension, its fragrance instantly soothes the mind before a single drop touches your lips. But behind this olfactory gentleness, science reveals powerful benefits for menopausal women. While chamomile calms nervous tension, lavender acts more deeply on emotional and endocrine balance, impacting sleep quality, mood stability, and apparent youthfulness of skin come morning. Lavender's key molecule, linalool, interacts with the parasympathetic nervous system, that of relaxation and digestion. Unlike sleeping pills, it doesn't impose sleep, it invites it. Linalool gently lowers heart rate and blood pressure while reducing accumulated cortisol from the day. For mature women, this is essential because elevated cortisol accentuates estrogen decline, which weakens and dehydrates skin. By returning the body to balance, lavender offers skin the possibility to renew itself without artifice. And if lavender seems the perfect conclusion, let me present one final secret, once reserved for queens and ancient healers, rare, precious, as beneficial for skin as for eyes. Saffron infusion, the golden secret of radiance and circulation. Saffron's strength lies in two molecules, crocin and safranal, antioxidants that fight glycation, that phenomenon rigidifying collagen and depriving it of elasticity. Saffron loosens these knots, protecting collagen, improving microcirculation so nutrients reach skin better. Clinical studies demonstrate that saffron also balances dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters of mood and resilience, discreetly influencing skin aging. But saffron's most overlooked gift is its effect on the retina and blood circulation. After menopause, microcirculation weakens not only in skin but also in eyes and extremities. Saffron promotes oxygen delivery and supports photoreceptor cells, notably protecting vision. For preparation, stay simple, use 3 to 5 strands of organic saffron infused in hot, not boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, covering well to preserve all aromatic antioxidant substances. When water takes on a golden tint, add half a teaspoon of raw honey for taste and absorption. Now you understand how each of these evening beverages supports a precious aspect of your feminine physiology, whether inflammation, hydration, hormonal balance, or circulation. The secret to radiant skin and restorative sleep after 50 doesn't come from expensive creams or tedious routines but from small nighttime choices adapted to your biology. Golden milk calms inflammation and nourishes collagen, almond milk hydrates and guides hormones toward constructive rest, chamomile lowers cortisol and allows skin to heal, lavender recreates calm and harmony, and finally, saffron infusion, that golden finishing touch, promotes circulation and nourishes radiance beneath the skin. Tonight, choose one beverage, feel its warmth, let it remind you that taking care of yourself isn't vanity but wisdom. Share in the comments which drink you'll choose tonight and let's grow this circle of peaceful, radiant women together. Your radiance is never lost, it's simply waiting for you to return to it.